Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. The other week KeySmart sent me the whole range of Alltuls here. So we've got the whole lot here, guys. A pretty interesting looking kit. Mainly when they asked me, I said yes, I'd be interested in the Shark and the Dino here. But they sent me the whole lot and I thought that was absolutely great. As you see, they all come on a nice cardboard display thing here with what they do on the back, all the different tools they do. They've all got exactly the same thing. Shows you all about it on the back. So I thought what we better do is get them off the bits of cardboard. Let's give it a go. Oh, well, that didn't work. Let's try again. Oh, that's better. That worked a treat. Okay, so what do we have here then? Well, we've got what they call the owl, and this is Mrs. Rathbone's favourite. The wolf, got the dino, the shark and the bear. Now they all have bottle openers on them, and the bottle openers are more or less, apart from this one here, it's got a proper style bottle opener, but the others have got more or less the same style bottle opener on them. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do one bottle opening, and I'm going to pick, let's go with the shark for the bottle opening. As you can hear, we've got the dishwasher going. But anyway, here we have the shark. So let's see how well we can open a bottle with it, shall we, guys? Well, that was nice and easy, and I would guess it would be the same with the other ones, apart from the owl. The owl would probably be even easier due to the design of the thing, but yes, I would imagine all the rest of the Alltuls will be just like our little friend the shark here. Okay, so all of the Alltuls are made from stainless steel. I'm not sure what sort of stainless steel it is, but it's quite hard. It might be 440 maybe, I really don't know. But they're all very nicely finished off. There are no sharp edges to them at all. Yes, good quality. As I say, the Dino and the Shark are my favourites originally, but they sent the whole lot to play with. Basically what we've got here, if you take a look at the Shark for instance, we can see it's got a range of tools on there: bottle opener, screwdrivers, spanners. You've also got a little hole there on the tail to hang it from a key ring. Moving over to the wolf, again you can see we have some spanners, two screwdrivers, bottle opener, and what looks like a knife is actually not all that sharp at all, really, guys. You can run your finger on it quite nicely and you won't cut yourself at all. It's just a letter opener or package opener. Then we move along to the bear here. You can see again we have a selection of spanners, couple of screwdrivers, bottle opener again, and you can use his eye to mount it on your key ring. Moving along to the owl, as I say, Mrs. Rathbone's favourite. You can see we have a key ring hole, bottle opener, some spanners, a couple of spoke wrenches for your bicycle, and a little pry bar, which I guess you could possibly use as a screwdriver at a pinch. And then we'll move along to the Dino, which is like a little T-Rex or Allosaurus. As you know, I'm into dinosaurs, guys. And what we have on this one, we have a screwdriver, a couple of screwdrivers, as you can see. We have a letter opener, which is on his tail, some spanners, and some little knurling on the back along his spine just here. A little bit of knurling for you to get hold of. Quite a nice little thing. I've been into dinosaurs since I was probably about 5 years old, I think. Okay, so the Dino and the Wolf both have letter opening capabilities. This here is the letter opener on Dino, his tail, and obviously you can see the knife style part is for opening letters on the Wolf. So let's give them both a go, and we'll start with the Wolf. Oops, if you can keep it within the envelope, it's yep, quite easy to do. So what about our friend the Dino? What can he do? If we can get it in there. Maybe not quite so easy. Yep, I don't think it's quite as easy to use as the Wolf to get into your envelopes. it does tend to make a bit of a mess. What about package opening with the Wolf? Here's some cardboard. It's gone in nice and easily. Oh, well, you could do it. It's a bit difficult though, guys. Unless of course you wanted a slightly more sharpened edge on it. I'd imagine it might be a little bit uncomfortable to open a bottle with it, because you've got to lever it like so. It might just cut into your fingers a little bit, but I guess you could actually do it, open a bottle with it. Perhaps we should have done the bottle opening with it instead of the shark actually, but it's not that sharp. The blade isn't that sharp, you can't cut yourself with it at all. The Alltul collection have quite a selection of tools. We've got spanners and wrenches and screwdrivers on all of them. They've all got a Phillips and a flat blade screwdriver on them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to whip them all down to the workshop and we'll see exactly what they can do. Okay then, so they can all do what they claim. Brilliant, and as you can see, none of them have been damaged by the experience either. So it's a good quality stainless steel that they are made from. It does actually say unscratchable material, and none of them are marked, so pretty good show then, guys. Okay, so let's thank KeySmart for sending them all along to us to take a look at. Thank you very much, KeySmart. Now then, my favourites are Shark and Dino. Mrs. Rathbone's favourite is the owl. But which one is your favourite? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be quite interested to find out which one you like. These are all available separately, or you can buy them in different sets, different combinations of sets. This is one combination here. They sent me the whole lot, which is very generous of them. Thank you very much once again, guys. Please feel free to let me know in the comments down below what kind of keychain multi-tool you carry around, if any. Please let me know which one of these is your favourite. Yeah, they're quite good, aren't they, really, guys? I mean, they've made some really decent material. They held up very well in the workshop, and I would imagine they'd give you a lifetime of use on your keychain. So what I'll do is I'll leave you some links in the descriptive text down below, so that you can go along to KeySmart and check out everything they do, including wallets, etc., and these Alltuls. Yeah, well, I hope you enjoyed coming over, guys. Hope you enjoyed taking a look. If you've got any comments or questions on these little fellows, please feel free to ask me in the comments down below. Alright, guys, well, thanks for coming over. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you again very soon. Shark and Dino. Mrs. Favourite. Right, okay then, so it looks like they all do what they say they can on...
Ruff, ruff.